In today's video, I'll teach you how to use RAR app on Android. So first of all, open the RAR application on your device. If you do not have this application, you'll be able to download it from the Play Store and App Store. You can see over here the RAR application has been opened. You'll be able to use this application to view the RAR file, or you can also archive the files and extract the RAR files. So in order to archive the files, what you have to do is simply tap on the file that you would like to archive. You can also select the multiple files if you want. After you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of icon over here. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the archiving options over here. You can see over here you'll be able to select the archive name. Also you'll be able to select the destination. You can simply tap on the option browse. After that you'll be able to browse the destination for archive. Likewise, you can either select RAR or ZIP over here. Simply tap on the option of your choice. You can also set the password by tapping on this option, set password. Now you'll be able to enter the password over here. You can also delete the files after archiving. For that, check on this box. Or you can also create a solid archive by checking on this box, create solid archive. After you're done, tap on the option OK. Now you can see over here the RAR file will be created. Likewise, you'll also be able to extract the files. For that, select the file that you would like to extract. Now tap on this icon that you can see at the top. Now you'll be able to access the extraction options over here. You can select the destination path, browse. Also you'll be able to see several other options over here. Likewise, if you would like to delete the file, simply tap on the file that you would like to delete and tap on the trash icon that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the yes option. After that, the file will be deleted. Likewise, you'll also be able to access other options by tapping on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. You'll be able to find the options like test archive files, repair archive, benchmark, etc. Likewise, if you tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option like commands, favorites, history, etc. You'll be able to add the files to favorites. Also, you'll be able to organize the favorites. So like this, you'll be able to use this app. So that is how you use RAR app on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.